If you're wondering how to use form analytics to improve completion rates, this video is your shortcut to doing it fast, smart, and with results you can actually see. Most people add a form to their site and hope for the best, but with just a few tweaks using form analytics, you can increase completions, reduce drop-offs, and understand exactly where users are getting stuck. I've tested all the most popular software tools out there and found one that stands out for ease of use, clarity, and actual impact on results. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial in the description, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's get into it. First, install the software script on your website. It usually takes just a couple of minutes, and most platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Webflow make this super easy. Once it's live, visit your forms dashboard. You'll start seeing real-time analytics like form views, starters, completions, and most importantly, drop-off rates by field. Pay close attention to the time spent per field and abandonment by field metrics. These show you where people hesitate or leave. If one field consistently causes drop-offs, that's your problem area. Shorten or clarify those fields. For example, if users are dropping off at a long phone number field, try labeling it better or making it optional. Next, look at hesitation time. This shows how long someone hovers before typing. If people are stuck on a question, either reword it for clarity or break it into two easier questions. Now, check completion time. If it's unusually long, your form may feel overwhelming. Reduce friction by removing unnecessary fields or grouping related questions into smaller sections. Use form field funnels to see exactly where people start and where they stop. You might find that 90% of users never even reach the final fields. That's gold. Now you know where to focus. A/B test your changes directly inside the software. Run 2 versions of the form and let the data tell you which one performs better. No guessing. Set up form notifications and analytics reports to get alerts when something changes dramatically, like a sudden drop in completions after a new field is added. The software we're using even lets you replay user sessions, so you can watch real user behavior without needing them to tell you what went wrong. And here's the kicker. Small improvements to your form analytics can lead to big jumps in your overall conversion rates. You don't need a redesign, just better insights. Key takeaway, you can't improve what you don't measure. Form analytics show you exactly where to fix your forms so more people complete them. Quick recap. Add the software to your site, check for drop-off points by field, reduce hesitation and abandonment with smarter wording, track completion time and simplify where needed. Use funnels and A/B testing to improve results, set alerts and watch session replays to stay ahead, and don't forget. If you want to try this for yourself, I've linked an exclusive free trial for the software we used just for viewers of this channel. Take advantage of it while it's still available. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.